Hi friends, today we will see how to use GSTR to a reconciliation tool. This sheet has 5 sheets. We will explain the use of each sheet. First sheet is just an instruction sheet where you need to just see the instructions so that the file will not get corrupted. Next is the purchases where it's an input sheet. The purchase and 2A are input sheet and ITC reco and summary reco are output sheet. The input sheet, purchases and GSTR 2A you need to fill manually. Okay. Purchases, you need to check the input as per input tax register or from the working sheet which you have maintained for claiming input tax credit as per GSTR 3B. And you cannot alter columns. Columns you need to use as it is, and only inputs you have to enter based on the column heading. Once you are done with your purchases, you need to update GSTR 2A. This GSTR 2A headings and sequence of headings and columns is same as the format given by GSTN in GST website. You just need to download GSTR 2A form from GST website in Excel sheet and just copy paste inputs as per GSTR 2A from GSTR website and paste it here. Once you paste these two entries, then you come to ITC reco and just once it is reconciled, we are given a color coding, and there are 3 sections in ITC reco. I want to explain that. First, A to L, that is you will get a entries as per books of accounts, and L to Q is a reconciliation portion, and GSTR 2A portion is the rest on the right side of the ITC reco sheet. Okay. See, in the one sheet we got entries as per purchases, entries as per GSTR 2A, and in the line wise it is got matched in this sheet. And you can use filter from a reco sheet where if you select matched, you will get only matched entries. You can see in the left what is as per books of account, right if you can see what is as per GSTR 2A. So it is green, that means both are same, there is no difference, and there is a not in 2A, that means the entry is only in books of account. You see only entries in the left side and you can't see any entries in the right side because it's only in 2A and only in 2A. That means there is an entry in 2A but the corresponding entries are not there in our books of accounts. Okay. And this ITC reco is arranged based on vendor wise. That means irrespective of whether it is matched, unmatched, whether in 2A, not in 2A, first all the entries of one particular party will be appearing, then next party. So that means it's a party wise. If you want, you can select the party wise and see what is the total transaction of a party. And if you want to if you closely observe alternate solution, if you see there is 2 entries, one not in 2A, one in 2A, and you can see there is a 2 different color, and you can verify why there is a difference. If you see as per books, it is the invoice number is 279. If you see as per GSTR 2A, it is INV-00297. So there is a difference because of only invoice number. Many of the reconciliation, the major problem is invoice number. The format of invoice number entered in our books and uploaded by the vendor may be different. Somebody will have a definite pattern where there will be the major difference only will be slash or dash. So in those cases, we are given an option in the purchases. There is a different option in the purchases, invoice for reconciliation. You can see the party and you can identify the invoice number and just come and paste it in invoice for reconciliation column, this invoice number. Okay. For now, if you enter any invoice number in this column for reconciliation, the macro will consider only this invoice number and it will ignore this invoice number. If you know the some particular party have definite format of reconciliation there is a mistake, then what you can do, you can come here and you can put some formula like to see some places what happens, the invoice number is 254, we entered 254, but the vendor would have updated 2018-19/258. What you can do, you can put formula like this and copy paste for entire transaction and just say reconciliation. All this, wherever there is a mismatch, everything get reconciled. So we'll come back to ITC Reco and then again we'll place, and before this thing you can see there is a difference, two entries are different here. We'll press auto reconciliation. Once it reconciled, one line item has reduced because alpha net it is there in both in books and GSTR 2A. Okay, and this entry is not there in, it is only in GSTR 2A, so it is not there. So what you can do, you can have a remarks, and if your client gives any remarks, the reply also can be updated here. And we'll come to summary. The summary is like a BRS where we are arriving from ITC as per GSTR 3B into ITC as per GSTR 2A, and these are the differences, why there is a difference. Okay, if the balance, if the end figure is not 0, then there is some error. Ignore this tool and do the reconciliation manually. Okay, thank you.